Hello everyone, today I'm sharing 15 things you should actually buy from the Dollar Tree. Now I have done one other Dollar Tree video in my time, and that was kind of just a spontaneous little shopping spree. I was just kind of dabbling and seeing what I could find. Now I feel as though I've done my research. I'm still not completely sold on the Dollar Tree. I think that some of it is a scam, to be honest. I think there's so many things that are overpriced, even though, especially since they just recently increased the prices to being $1.25. It's not even just $1 anymore. They really kind of trick you into thinking you're getting a good deal and you're not. But I do think that there are things that are absolutely worth it, and that's what I'll be sharing with you today. Number one is definitely their glassware, and I'm talking plates, bowls, cups, mugs. It's so pretty, especially this pattern. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I would love using this in my kitchen. You can even decorate with this. It is so vibrant and beautiful. I also love their clear glassware as well. I have many of their clear mugs. I just recently picked up this small one, which I don't know, I like to have beside my bed. But check out all of the different patterns, and they update them every season. This next one, kind of no surprise, people talk about this all the time, but it's different size storage containers and organizational bins. So I recently picked up these drawer organizers, which I think are absolutely such a good deal because they can get very pricey, especially at the Container Store. Like, it's insane. This is great quality. They have a nice little mat here on them so you can easily wipe them, and it's kind of grippy. It's also grippy on the bottom, and all of the sizes kind of fit so that you can make whatever configuration you want. Now, as far as the larger storage containers that people use to organize their pantries or their closets, those are hit or miss. Sometimes I think they're good quality, and other times I think they're flimsy and they're going to break. Next up, we have birthday and holiday greeting cards. I can't stand cards. I've said that before. I think they're a complete waste of money. You shouldn't have to spend $5, $6, $7 on a card that somebody pays attention for 10 seconds and then they throw away. But it's a tradition. People love them. So you should definitely be getting them at the Dollar Tree. There's even sections where you can get 2 cards for $1. I think that is such a better deal. You can just stock up on birthday cards, Christmas cards, all of the different occasions, and then you can have a little basket or a bin so that when an occasion arises, you can just go to your stash and you're good to go. Hairbrushes are also a really good deal at the Dollar Tree. So I've compared brushes at like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, different drugstores, and Dollar Tree definitely wins. This is a nice paddle brush, $1.25, great quality. And then this is a fine bristle brush that I just got. I've had this one actually for a little while. But this one I got because I like to slick my hair back, and this is a little trick you can do to really smooth everything down and get rid of the flyaways. Next we have gardening gloves, like thick latex gardening gloves. So I know this is kind of weird, but it's a really good price point, especially since you just get them dirty, you lose them half the time. I did buy a pair of these last year and I used them all season. They held up great. My kids kept wanting to use them. So this time around, I did pick up a few more pairs. They're absolutely worth it. Speaking of items that have just been very successful for me in my last year of Dollar Tree dabbling, I love these felt pads that you can buy to put on the bottoms of your chairs, like the legs of the chair or your ottoman or stools or anything like that. So we have them on our kitchen table chairs, different stools, different things in our studios. You can put them on your dining room table chairs, just everywhere, and they just make the chair slide around. It doesn't make any annoying sounds. Yeah, buy them. Another item that I think has been really worth it is actually this mesh laundry bag. So I originally picked one of these up, not to just really like use on an everyday, like laundry occasion. It really was just for travel. So what I do is I take these, and when we travel, I put my dirty socks and underwear and dirty clothes in here. And then that way I know when I return home what to actually wash. And half the time I can just throw the whole bag directly into the laundry because it really is a laundry bag itself. It has holes all through it, so it just cleans all of your clothes. But I've since picked up more. I think it's great for kids, even when they go to their grandparents' house for the weekend, they just know to put their dirty clothes in here and I can throw it directly into the laundry. Picture frames are also a really good deal at the Dollar Tree. They have some really stylish ones there. They have some really ugly ones too. But this one I think is beautiful. I love how it catches the light, and a lot of people aren't even buying picture frames anymore, but I still see them everywhere, and they're so expensive sometimes. sometimes. I feel like people aren't buying them nearly as much. The prices need to come down. So $1.25 is a really great deal. The quality is nice. It's not like impeccable, but it really just sits there on a shelf or a ledge. You rarely touch it. You might change out a photo every once in a while, but let's be honest, who actually does that? So definitely check out the Dollar Tree if you're in need of a picture frame. Next we have activity books, and actually just books in general. Now this is hit or miss. I would say it's more just worth going to the section and seeing what's available or what's there. We had no intentions of buying any books the one day, and Josh found this. It was $1.25, and it's been really worth it. He's made a few recipes already. Everything's colorful. Yeah, it's been great. But really what you wanna pay attention to is the activity books. And I'm not talking just for kids. I mean, they have great coloring books and different, activities for different ages and whatnot, but they also have Sudoku books. And what I really love are the adult coloring books. People spend so much money on this, like so much money, and you can just go to the Dollar Tree and buy them there. Now, speaking of kids, since we were just talking about the activity books, that does lead me to the next genre you should probably be checking Dollar Tree for, and that is Easter eggs or Easter baskets, candy, that kind of thing. Really just holidays in general. If you do like to have like a coordinated little gift, check the Dollar Tree, and depending on when I post this, maybe Easter's coming up or maybe it's already passed, but I love going there for their Easter baskets. I get the eggs, I get the grass, I get the little toys, and just all of it is probably junk, yeah, but it's all in one place and it makes it super simple. Now again, if Easter's over, the same thing can be applied to Valentine's Day, to Halloween, Christmas, like all of the holidays, they really go all out for. Now speaking of kids, I love my transitions. I love my segues. This one's a good one. So maybe you want kids, maybe you don't want kids. I don't know your situation. You should be buying pregnancy tests at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I know that sounds really weird, but I swear they work. And there are so many people backing that up. So I didn't buy any. I am done having kids, but here's the footage of them here in the store. Such a good price. These darn pregnancy tests are so expensive these days, and all it does is measure the HCG in your, is that even right? The HCG? Wow, if I just pulled that out of my brain, I'm impressed. I've read so many forums. I've used them myself back in the day. Like they work, okay? They definitely do work. So you could just buy a few on hand, whatever, and then if you wanna like confirm it later, then you could buy like the expensive one, but I'm telling you, worth it. Okay, this next item is also kind of a weird purchase, yet also very worth it. So Dollar Tree has many backsplash wall stickers that you can get to spruce up your kitchen or your bathroom, or really just like test out the space before you commit to actually doing a full reno or upgrade. So I especially love this one. It's even textured, like it really looks and feels like, what's it called? Subway tile. So you can get a few of them, kind of test out the space, or if you wanna go crazy and actually redo the space, this would look great. This looks very realistic to me. This does not, but I still think it'd be a good test if you wanna just test it out, and they have tons of different patterns and styles. Next we have jumbo clips. These are absolutely worth it. They're technically jumbo clothespins. I don't use them for laundry. I use them for my snacks, my chips, my pretzels, different big bags. They're awesome. They're huge. They really get in there. They hold, they do the job. They keep your stuff from going stale. So we already had a pack of these, and I've recently picked up another one. This next item is actually something Josh recommended. These are a set of 3 wire brushes, which he uses all the time to clean different surfaces, like whether it be, rust, like different surfaces where you really wanna get in there and really get whatever's off. Like wire brushes are where it's at. And he has said that you can get them at Lowe's and Walmart and Home Depot for like usually between $3 to $7, and these were only $1.25. And I love the size of them. This is the size that you typically find. You can really get in the different spots. So again, not something I need per se, but Josh says that they are a great deal, so I put them in this video. I guess I should have talked about these when I was talking about kids, because kids love these, but they're popcorn holders or baskets, and you can get them in so many sizes at the Dollar Tree. We recently got these. They come in at like a set of 2 for $1. And and they're so fun. It's so themed. It's like you're going out to the movies. You can, put a movie on here at home. You pop popcorn. You can sit with your popcorn bag, and it's like you're just out for a fun night. So I love these. They also have really big ones that are more family style. So I do want to pick up more. Also, if you're having like a fun movie night or party or themed something, these would be awesome. I've never seen them anywhere, and I love that they are plastic so you can wash them and reuse them. Now, fashion is really where my heart's at. So if you want some high quality, stylish, and very affordable clothes and accessories from Amazon, head on over to this video next. Bye.